Don't download Finbox app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Finbox app, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another easy-to-use investing app, but the surprising truth is it's really tailored for data-driven investors and financial analysts, not casual users. Finbox specializes in stock research and company valuation. It offers advanced tools like discounted cash flow models, comparable company analysis, and real-time financial metrics. That sounds impressive, but here's the catch. The interface and terminology can be overwhelming if you're new to investing. Most people get lost navigating valuation models and interpreting complex metrics. Another important point is the subscription cost. While Finbox offers a free tier, its most valuable features are behind a paid subscription. You'll need to decide if you really need access to advanced analytics for your portfolio, because for casual investors, free platforms like Yahoo Finance or TradingView may be sufficient. On the upside, Finbox is extremely powerful for serious investors who want to dive deep into company fundamentals. You can track valuations, screen stocks, and compare companies using robust metrics. Analysts, professional traders, or even hobbyists with a strong financial background will find it incredibly useful. However, for the average investor looking for simple buy and hold guidance or an easy way to track a portfolio, Finbox can feel like overkill. The learning curve is steep, and many users end up frustrated or underutilizing the app. In conclusion, don't download Finbox expecting a casual, beginner-friendly investing experience. It's best for those who want to analyze companies like a pro, with access to detailed financial models and valuation tools. If that's not you, consider simpler alternatives first. Understanding your goals before downloading will save you time, money, and frustration.